Get ready to tackle tough jobs with ease. Top 5 best air impact tools in this year deliver unmatched torque, speed, and durability, making them perfect for automotive, construction, and heavy-duty tasks. Upgrade your toolkit and power through every project like a pro. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. VEVOR Air Impact Tools. The VEVOR Air Impact Tools 1/2-inch wrench is a powerful and versatile choice for professionals and enthusiasts who need top-tier performance in automotive, assembly, and maintenance applications. Boasting a robust twin hammer impact mechanism, it delivers an impressive 1,400 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque, making even the most stubborn bolts easy to loosen. Its lightweight 4.6-pound design ensures minimal strain on your hands and arms, while the compact structure allows access to tight spaces without sacrificing power. One standout feature is the effortless lubrication system, complete with a convenient adapter that prevents the hassle of remembering to oil your tool. This thoughtful design not only ensures smooth operation, but also extends the tool's lifespan significantly. The wrench's 4-position combined forward/reverse and power management regulator offers unmatched torque control, allowing you to easily adjust the power output for various tasks, whether delicate assembly work or heavy-duty repairs. Adding to its value, the kit includes an 11-piece CRV steel impact socket set ranging from 9mm to 27mm and a 5-inch extension bar, providing high-hardness sockets capable of withstanding torque fluctuations. The carrying case makes storage and transport a breeze, keeping everything organized and protected. For optimal performance, VEVOR recommends maintaining a minimum airflow of 90 psi and 6.5 CFM, though pushing it up to 120 psi will unleash its full potential. This makes it ideal for those who have access to a strong air compressor setup. Number 2. Trivd Frol Air Impact Tools. The Trivd Frol Air Impact Tools 1/2-inch wrench is designed for serious power and precision, making it an excellent choice for automotive repair, heavy-duty suspension work, and challenging mechanical tasks. Featuring a robust 45mm cylinder design combined with a twin hammer impact mechanism, this tool delivers a remarkable 1,500 foot-pounds of working torque, ensuring it can tackle even the most stubborn nuts and bolts with ease. Its smooth, balanced blows provide consistent performance, while its impressive 8,000 RPM capability allows for fast and efficient operation. Despite its power, the Trivd Frol wrench is engineered for comfort, weighing only 4.73 pounds and equipped with a compact composite housing and ergonomic grip handle. This lightweight design minimizes stress on wrists and hands, enabling longer use without discomfort. One of its most convenient features is the 3-speed forward setting and single reverse speed, controlled by an adjustable knob that allows you to fine-tune speed for various applications. The instant stop function, activated when releasing the trigger, enhances safety and precision in delicate tasks. The rear exhaust system effectively directs air and debris away from the workspace, keeping surfaces cleaner and improving visibility. Built with a sturdy alloy steel 1/2-inch drive, this impact wrench is durable enough for regular heavy-duty use. Its specifications include a square drive of 1/2 inch, working pressure of 90 psi, and an air hose adapter of 1/4 inch, making it compatible with most standard pneumatic setups. To maximize torque output, maintaining slightly higher airflow than the recommended 90 psi is advised. Number 3. Ingersoll Rand Air Impact Tools. The Ingersoll Rand Air Impact Tools 231C is a proven performer in the pneumatic tool world, offering a dependable combination of power, precision, and durability. With a maximum torque of 600 foot-pounds and rotational speeds of up to 8,000 RPM, it is ideal for general automotive work, tire changing, and light to medium industrial applications. This model features a twin hammer mechanism that delivers consistent balanced impacts for efficient fastening and loosening, while the adjustable power regulator allows precise control to suit different tasks. Its pressure feed lubrication system ensures internal components remain well-oiled, reducing wear and extending the tool's service life. Maintenance is straightforward thanks to its 2-piece construction, making it easy to disassemble for cleaning or repairs. The 231C is also built for operator comfort with a lightweight yet sturdy housing and an ergonomic contour handle that minimizes strain during extended use. At 7.3 inches in length and weighing just 5.8 pounds, it offers a manageable size without sacrificing capability. Arriving fully lubricated and ready to use, this impact wrench is designed for immediate productivity straight out of the box. Ingersoll Rand, with over 160 years of experience, has a long-standing reputation for producing high-quality tools, and this model reflects that heritage. It is rugged enough to withstand demanding environments, yet refined enough for precision work, making it suitable for both professionals and hobbyists. Number 4. ACDelco Tools Air Impact Tools. The ACDelco Tools Air Impact Tools ANI 405A is a durable and dependable pneumatic wrench built for professionals who require consistent power and long-lasting reliability. With a torque output of 500 foot-pounds, 677 newton-meters, and a free speed of 8,000 RPM, it is ideal for medium to heavy-duty applications such as automotive repairs, machinery assembly, and general maintenance work. Designed with a 1/2 inch square drive, it can handle standard bolt sizes up to 5/8 M16 with ease. ACDelco, a brand with over a century of reputation in quality tools, has engineered this impact wrench to meet the demands of users who rely on their tools daily. The ANI 405A is equipped with an air consumption rate of 17.7 SCFM, requiring a working air pressure of 90 psi to achieve peak performance. Its overall length of 7¼ inches and weight of 5.72 pounds provide a balanced combination of size and handling, allowing for better maneuverability without sacrificing power. The tool's sturdy build ensures it can withstand tough shop environments, while the ergonomic design reduces user fatigue during long shifts. Compatible with a 3/8 inch air hose and a 1/4 inch NPT air inlet, it fits seamlessly into most workshop pneumatic setups. Whether you are working in a busy automotive garage or handling equipment repairs in an industrial setting, this impact wrench offers dependable torque for efficient fastening and loosening tasks. Number 5. Seesii Air Impact Tools. The Seesii Air Impact Tools stand out as a powerful, feature-rich option for users tackling demanding automotive and construction tasks. Equipped with a professional-grade brushless motor, it delivers 579 ftLbs, 800 newton-meters of tightening torque and 665 ftLbs, 900 newton-meters of loosening torque, capable of removing even rusted bolts within seconds. With speeds up to 2,400 RPM and 3,300 IPM, it dramatically reduces work time compared to manual wrenches. What makes this model unique is its dual battery system, featuring two 21V/4.0 lithium batteries for extended runtime and a rapid charger that reaches 80% in just 30 minutes. The tool's ergonomic design, including a 16-inch compact body and balanced 9.3-pound weight, ensures comfort even during prolonged use, while its TP anti-slip grips and vibration-dampening cover enhance control in challenging conditions. Built with a tungsten steel anvil and alloy steel hammer/socket, the Seesii impact wrench offers 60% greater impact resistance, withstanding over 100,000 operational cycles. Safety features include intelligent chip protection to prevent overcurrent, overvoltage, overheating, and short circuits, plus an auto-stop function to avoid over-tightening. The integrated cooling fan keeps the motor at optimal temperatures during continuous operation. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.